Today we will be making the Improvised Camouflage Yeti. Great for hunting, evasion, and hide and seek. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna take our longer willow branch. We're gonna take it and we're gonna try to bend it over itself, but we're gonna first slowly work it because we don't want it to snap on us. That's where willow is nice because it doesn't snap very easily. So, good. Bend it over itself. Some of these branches, wrap it around. Got some of this little bark. And just tie it together with. I got that. Then we can take some of these other little bushes. More of them here real quick. Okay, now we're going to take this. Start weaving these bushes in. I'll just stick a couple more in here and then we can go get stuff to fill it in with. Alright, so now we got our vegetation and we're going to start weaving it in. Now when you're picking out your vegetation, you want to use the stuff that's around you. Because you don't want it to be from somewhere else, because then it won't camouflage you at all. And so you're just going to want to take it and start weaving it in through your stuff that you've already stuck in it. You're going to want it all facing the same way, so it's not going up and down and left and right. And you start from the top and go down, then you won't have all your little stumpy edges shown. And it's also kind of good to use a couple different kind of stuff, branches, so it's not all exactly the same. And just weave and weave and weave. You got a whole bunch. This is a piece of willow bark that we're going to be using as our shoulder strap. So we're going to, here's the frame. We're going to tie it on. Back here. The dark side down. Now, yeah, the shoulder strap. That's how you make the improvised camouflage Yeti. And as you see, we're in a ghillie hat, and you can see how to make that in our last video. Thanks for watching.